Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Francis Star, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make up to $25 on this website called Sproutgigs. Okay, this website is actually a legit website, and I've made my research about this website, and it's actually a very legit website. Okay, so don't just click off this video to go and sign up yourself so you won't miss the sign up bonus. Okay, I'm going to be dropping the link to this website in the description of this video, so make sure you use that link to sign up and get your welcome bonus. Okay, so basically what you're going to be doing on this platform to make money is you're going to be performing simple tasks. Okay, so this platform is actually a freelance platform, but you still can make money by performing tasks, even if you don't have a service you want to render to make money. Okay, you can still make money by performing simple tasks. Okay, so let me show you what I'm talking about. So right here on this website there are 567 available jobs you can work on. Okay, there are 567 available jobs you can work on for today as I'm recording this video right now, although some days the jobs are not up to this and some days they are more than this. Okay, so for today there are 567 available jobs you can work on. So right here you can see the offer to pay 0.500 cents for this offer, and what the offer is about is just to sign up on an application. Okay, so to just I'm going to show you how you can perform these tasks and be making up to $25 daily. Okay, so don't just click off this video, make sure you watch it from beginning to the end, and make sure you follow the steps I'm going to be providing. Okay, so you don't want to miss out on this. Okay, so if this video sounds like something you're beginning to like, you're beginning to find value on the video, just hit the like button right now. Just hit that like button and encourage me so I can make more research and find out more websites for you to start making money online. Okay, and if you're new to this channel, I would say you should hit on that subscribe button right now. Okay, hit on that subscribe button, smash the subscribe button, and also hit on the notification bell, so whenever I drop new videos on this channel you get notified by YouTube, and then you can just watch the video and learn whatever I teach on the video. Okay, so make sure you stick to this video, don't click it off. Okay, don't miss what I'm going to be sharing. I'm going to show you ways you can make money on this platform. Okay, so don't just click it off. All right, so the name of this platform is Sproutgigs. Okay, the name of the platform is Sproutgigs. Okay, I'm going to be dropping the link to this website on the description of the video. Okay, like I said earlier, all you have to be doing on this website is to just perform simple tasks, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, before I show you how to create your account, I'll first show you the process on how you can perform simple tasks. Okay, so let's just scroll down a bit and check some kind of tasks we can perform. Okay, so right here you can see SEO plus promote content plus engage 1x. Okay, so to know what they require in any of these tasks, you just have to click on it and know what the instruction is. Okay, so right here they say Kakao Talk app. Okay, download plus install plus sign up plus follow. Okay, so this is what you are to do to earn this 0.200 cent. Okay, and right here is still talking about SEO plus promote content plus engage. So let's just check for something that is easier. Okay, so right here it says work app install plus sign up. So let's just try this. Let's try this. You can see 205 people have been able to complete this task already. So to complete this task, all you have to do is to just click on it. So once you tap on it, it's going to direct you to a page where you're going to see the instructions on what you have to do to complete the task and then get that money. Okay, so basically some of these tasks are not available in all countries. Okay, if it's not available in your country, they are going to show you in the excluded place. Okay, so they will show you that is not available in some of the countries, so you just have to check and you're going to see it. So right here, let's see what the instruction is. Okay, so the first thing they say, do you want to hold on this job? Holding it not holding holding is not required but encouraged. Okay, so sorry about my skipping. Holding is not required, that's just like a piece of advice. Okay, it's just like a piece of advice, like if you hold on the job is not encouraged, maybe you could lose it, so some other people can just complete it and then make the money. Okay, so the what you're expected to do before you can make that money is first you go to YouTube video. You can see the link right here, so you can just copy the link, place it on your browser's URL, sorry, your browser's search bar. So once you place it on the search bar, you click it and you go to the video. So you see the second instruction here. Click the link in the description guide, which is this link. You're going to see it in the description of this video. Okay, so the third one is accept invite, install the app and sign up with your Google account. So the fourth instruction here is verify your email and give the app permission to start counting your steps and earning money for working. Okay, see important information here. He said note, if you accepted any invite or installed this app before, do not complete this job. You will rate unsatisfied even if you create a new account. Just work and earn money daily. Okay, required proof that task was finished, your Sweatcoin username, screenshot of confirmation email you will receive from the Sweetcoin. Example, they are giving you example of what you're going to get. Okay, so once you get all these things ready, this is where you're going to submit it. Okay, so you're going to submit your username, which you use to create account in the app they ask you to download. You're going to place a screenshot of the email you got, and then this one is actually optional. Just drop a comment that you have completed the task, just stuff like that. So once you're done doing this, you're just going to click on this button showing proof. So once you click on it, you're good to go. Believe me, you're just good to go. Your job is just going to pend for some hours, and after pending for some hours, they are going to just approve your job. So once they approve your job, you're just good to go. Okay, you're good to go. The money will just be paid directly to your dashboard. Okay, so let me quickly show you how you can make $25 on this platform. Okay, it's just a simple calculation. Let me show you how you can make $25 on this platform. Okay guys, to make up to $25 on this platform, let's just do a quick calculation. Okay, so what you're going to be doing is you're going to look for tax that pays up to 0.50 cents. Okay, like per tax you complete, let it be 0.50 cents, although you can actually choose a tax that is higher than this. I'm just giving you a tip. Okay, so remember, the higher the price for the tax, the higher or the harder it is for you to complete it. Okay, so I think if you should choose a tax that is at this range, it's just going to be like an average for you. It will be easier for you to complete. Okay, and you're still going to make cool money from this. Okay, so let's say you choose a tax that pays 0.50 cents and you are able to complete up to 50 of these per day. That's like $25 per day. Okay, you can actually do more than this because there are a lot of tasks on that website for you to perform. Okay, you can actually do more than that, but this is just a simple tip for you if you want to be making just $25 per day. Okay, so want to be making $50 per day, you can just make up to 100 of this and you're going to just make for yourself $50. Okay, so you can see this actually is a cool way to make money online. Okay, so I'll just take you back to the website and I'll show you more things and more way to earn money on the website. Okay, alright guys, we are back on the website. Let me show you another way you can make money on this website. Okay, but before then, if this video is sounding like something you are interested in or something you're beginning to like, I'll say you should hit on that like button right now. Hit on that like button. Okay, hit on that like button, encourage me so I can make more research and search for more ways you can make money online and become a better person. Okay, and if you're new on this channel, if you're seeing my video for the first time, I would say you should hit on that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell, so whenever I drop videos like this on the platform, you're going to get notified by YouTube telling you that I just dropped a new video, and you're going to just get access to the video, watch it and learn whatever I teach on the video. Okay, so before I show you how to create account, let me show you how you can make money again even if you are not performing any tasks. Okay, so right here you're going to see where it says share and earn. You can actually make money by referring people to this platform. Okay, this is how that works. When you refer people to the platform, you get to earn 30%, sorry, you get to earn 5% of any of the tasks they complete or when people buy job. Okay, it's actually a freelance platform, like I said earlier. Like, it's a place that people come to hire people online to work for them. Okay, so here, if you refer people to this platform, when they perform tasks to make money, you get 5% of whatever they make, and when they still hire people to complete a job for them, you still get 5%. percent on that. Okay, you can see, imagine some anybody you refer to this platform making up to $100 or $200 per day. That's like you earning 5% of whatever they make. Okay, so that is actually still a cool way to make money on this platform. Okay, so right now I'm just going to show you how to create an account, but don't forget you're going to be using the link I'll be dropping in the description of this video, so you will not miss the bonus. Okay, so if you're using that link, just believe me, you're going to be having a welcome bonus once you sign up. Okay, so let me just log out right now and show you how you can create your own account. Okay, so here, once you click the link I'll be dropping on the description of that video, you're just going to be directed here. So what you want to do is you want to click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, right here you're going to input your real name. So let me say Francis Aniebo. Right here you're going to put in your email address. Okay, you're going to put in your email address, and right here you're going to just type in password. Let me just use a random password because I'm not creating this account, I already have an account. Okay, so once you just put a random sorry, make sure the password you're going to be using is going to be very strong, and then you should be able to remember it. Okay, so once you just input your password, you type your and you type the password in the next line here. Once you just retype the password, the next page is where you input your username. So once you just type in your username, you select your country. Okay, so right here you're going to sign up as a worker, not an employer. Okay, sign up as a worker, because what you're going to be doing on the platform is to be making or confirming completing simple tasks and be making money. Okay, so that is what you're basically going to be doing on the website. So you have to sign up as a worker and not an employer. So after doing that, you just click on agree, you click on send me news and all that. So just agree with, just click on this two dots here. So once you just click on it, you click on sign up. Okay, I already have an account with them, so I'm not going to be signing up. I'll just click on login. So once you just do that, you're going to be directed to your dashboard. Okay, so yes, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. Okay, so once you just get here, you can just scroll down and start performing any task you like. Okay, so let me show you example of how you can perform another task. Okay, this one is just to watch a viral video. So if you want to perform this task, you just click on it. So once you click on it, make sure you read through the instruction carefully. Okay, so once you read through the instruction and make sure you follow it. Okay, so right here you say go to http with on this link. So once you just go click on this link, you be directed to the video you're going to watch. Okay, so once you watch the video, you once you're directed to the platform, you click on watch now. That's the second instruction. So once you click on the watch now button, the third one is complete a simple offer by completing sign up or downloading app to unlock the video. Okay, so you complete this third instruction. So the fourth one is to watch the video for 40 seconds. Okay, so the fifth one is note, make sure you comment on the video before submitting proof. Okay, so you comment on the video. Required proof for task finish is linked to the video you watched and screenshot of the video. Okay, so once you're just done with that, you scroll down here, you just place the link to the video right here, and you upload the screenshot of the video right here. And once you just finish doing that, you can just click on submit. Okay, and they're going to review it for just few hours. So once the review is over, you're going to be paid directly to your details right here. They're going to drop the 0.600 on your dashboard right here. It's going to be showing on end. Okay, this one right here is showing because it's still on pending. Okay, while I was testing on the website, I had to just try and complete one task and it's still on pending. Okay, that is why it's not displaying here. Okay, so once you just finish completing this task, you can just choose another task and still complete it. Okay, so there is no limit to the amount of tasks you can complete on this website. And to withdraw your earnings on this website, there are actually different ways you can withdraw. Okay, there are different ways you can withdraw. Right here you can see ATM. You can actually use this payment gateway. You can use Litecoin, you can use PayPal, you can use Krill, you can use Uphold. Okay, so you can use any of this payment gateway to receive your payment from this platform. Okay, so make sure you don't sleep on this, guys. Make sure you don't sleep on this platform. Is actually a legit one where you can be making cool money for yourself, and then still be doing maybe your 9 to 5 job or any other job you're into already. Okay, so if you find value watching this video, kindly hit like button. Okay, kindly smash on that like button, and if you're new to this channel, hit on that subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell. Okay, so turn on the notification bell and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so make sure you subscribe and go to the comment section below, type in make money online. Okay, what this does is it helps YouTube move the video to more people who are interested in making money online. Okay, so do that as a favor for me and encourage me so I can make more videos. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video.